All right, guys, I can't possibly know what's about to happen here, but let's see. I've got the frame and the laser up. I'll do the hull and the contour. Looks good, so I'm going to turn the fan on. Put it on 10. This is a brass pocket knife. It's 3 inches wide. Once the fan gets going, I'll just put start and we'll see what happens. Well, that looks pretty good. Turned out all right. I'll show you what it looks like after I get it, get the other side done and get it off here and get it cleaned up. Well, I think that turned out pretty good, guys. Ended up doing both sides. Fun project. Thanks for watching.